Hello everyone, the iTunes channel back here again. So in case you follow my Twitter and Instagram, you'll likely know that I purchased another iPhone 2G off of eBay. And the reason why is because my current 2G that you see in all my videos, unfortunately, has lots of issues with it, such as a broken camera, loose antenna, bent housing, none of the buttons work except for the home button. It has battery problems, a faulty charging dock, etc. So we're all very faulty. So I found another one on eBay that cost $150. And no, I'm not spoiled. I actually paid for part of it and for around half of it, and then my mom paid for the other half. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into this unboxing. And I'm just taping this unboxing just to be safe, and then I'm going to be downgrading it, and I will be using a slightly different method to downgrade it in this video than I did in my other downgrade video, because I found with my other downgrade video you won't get regular wall charging and such. This is kind of what I need, or what I do need. So I did take the shipping label off for obvious reasons. So here's a nice little cable that we get with the box. And finally, a polishing cloth, a screen protector, and this is 4 GB, by the way, and it's supposedly in good condition. So let's just boot this up. And let's just peel a sticker off, obviously, because we don't want the sticker. This is in okay condition on the back, but it's a 2G. As you can tell, it booted on the first boot. Right here, as you can tell, is in slightly different stock application order. And if we just go into about right here, it runs 3.1.3, which is typical. Let's see if and it just died. So this one may not have the best battery either, but oh well. So do not put stickers on your phone. So let's go ahead and let's just get the screen protector onto this phone. First up, let's take the polishing cloth and get this. Grime off of here. I'll have to Windex this later, but let's just go ahead and put the phone on. So it appears that I know which side the sticky side goes on, so now I believe it's just as simple as lining it up, and bam, our 2G is now fully protected. So let's see if the camera works. It does! Hooray! So now, without further ado, I'll just go ahead and pop out some of the bubbles, and then we can get on to the actual downgrade. So it turned out that the downgrade did not work correctly, so I'm going to have to actually figure this out. So there's just all sorts of issues that I've had with it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. All of my social media will be linked down below in the description. Hopefully later on I can figure out some sort of solution to this, and as always, peace out.